This conference will now be recorded.
All right. So thanks for waiting, everybody. So yesterday we could see the scenario one in terms of execution. Now today we'll
Hello,
see.
Vamshi.
Please wait.
I cannot hear you. Can anybody else hear?
Hello, can you all hear me, please?
I can hear.
Yes, we can hear you.
We
Sir,
can
I
hear
can
you.
also hear, sir.
All right. All right. Okay. Thank you. Just wait. Please give me a minute. Allow me a minute, please. All right. So today we'll see the understanding of scenario 2 and scenario 3, if time permits, customer extension also. So scenario 2 is what? The customer sold party, if having a different shipping address, how to organize with the same bill to and same payer. So what we need to do here, I need to create a shipped party separately now and map it to the sold party, so that when creating a sales order in future, I should have an option system showing Ravi, also Raju, and I should have an option making one among them as default, so that if I'm not saying anything, system should pick the default one, or else I should have an option of either Ravi or Raju. This is the scenario. This is what, right? When we go for a shopping, thinking about your Amazon account only. You have your home address, your office address, you have your friend's address, you have your some other addresses, right? So whenever you are buying something in Amazon, whenever you're placing an order in Amazon, it will ask which address to be kind of for shipping. It shows all list. And if you're not saying anything, one address which is set as default, it picks that address automatically, right? Same scenario, how it works, we'll see now. So please understand the logic here and get the clarity how and what is the purpose. All right. So let me log into the SAP screen and start working on this now. So kindly wait, please. Okay. Now XD01 again, right? Click on XD01. Now here, click on the drop down. All right, all right. Now, please, before I proceed further, yesterday we had created a customer that is sold to party, right? First, let me open that. XD02, opening the created customer in change mode. Why we are opening it now? I'll tell you. Click on find your customer ID, click on the drop down here and GRA1, the account group. Double click on it, customer sales area, created in this sales area, select it, company code GRAI, continue. Sales area data. The first point, yesterday I haven't explained the billing view. First, let us complete this, then we'll work on the scenario. So, you understood the fields under sales view, you understood the fields under shipping view, you understood how partner function responds with the activity. Now, under billing, here, invoicing date, invoice listing date, Incoterms, terms of payment are the main fields you need to understand. Now, invoicing date, invoice listing date, both should be same. Why, I'll tell you. First of all, what is the purpose of this field? Should be same. Both should be same. Why? Simple example. On what working days the bill will be generated, on the same working days the bill can be claimed. All right. So what do you mean by this? On what working days bill will be generated, same working days bill will be claimed. What do you mean by this? Now here, say all right. Now Sunday the showroom is open. Think you're going to a shopping and Sunday the store is open. The store person say, "Sir, store is open, but I cannot do the transaction." That means the system is not set for Sunday for transaction purpose because it is organized as a holiday. System will not. Or when you're going for a shopping, it's almost late night now. You get an announcement. It's close to 10 p.m. The counter is yet to close. Please rush to the bill counter so that you can get the transaction done. It's all system working point of view. It can be a time based, it can be a day based. So, on what working days the bill will be raised, on the same working days the raised bill should be claimed. So, invoice listing date is claiming, that is payment purpose, invoicing date, that is invoicing purpose, bill generating purpose. One more example I'll give you. Now, these days we pay our credit card bills through many facilities. But few years back, where we was not having the online facilities of payment, we used to drop the check in the drop box. Think Monday is your last date of payment and you drop the check on Sunday. Sunday is a holiday and Monday the check will be picked up and by the time it reaches the bank it will be 2 working days and Wednesday it will be and gone. But these days now the online payment facility, even though you make the payment on Sunday, by Monday morning it will respond, it will reflect if it is not working day also. Or for online payments, it is 24 by 7. So it's all the working day management purpose. You got the టూ ఐడెంటిటీస్. ఏ రోజైతే బిల్ రైజ్ చేస్తామో ఏ రోజైతే బిల్ పే చేస్తామో 2 వర్కింగ్ డేస్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ ఉండాలి. कौन से दिन बिल पे करेगा, कौन से दिन बिल क्लियर करेगा. सो जनरेट करने के वास्ते इनवॉइसिंग डेट, पेमेंट करने के वास्ते इनवॉइस लिस्टिंग डेट. So for both the date should be same. And what should be given calendar here? The calendar what we maintain during when we was working on enterprise structure. 01, I said the complete company work on one calendar, right? So give the same calendar. I told you why we take 01 also at that time. When you refer that video, you will get a best clarity. And Incoterms. What is Incoterms? If I click on the drop down here, you have all the Incoterms: cost and freight, cost, insurance and freight, free on board, free freight, etc. Incoterms is all about how the delivery and handling charges to be organized. It's not we who decide what Incoterms is applicable here. We mean the SAP consultants. Then who is responsible? During the incorporation of the company. Incorporation అంటే కంపెనీ ఎస్టాబ్లిష్ అయ్యేటప్పుడు, मतलब కంపెనీ जब ఎస్టాబ్లిష్ हो रहा, so like for example, see, Grasim is a company which is SAP implemented, but Grasim is very old company. So at the time of company's establishment, see, few companies are private limited companies, few companies are public limited companies, right? So at the time of company's establishment, the ICC, what is ICC now? ICC is all about, it's an accounting firm, International Commerce of Chambers. They decide what Incoterms is applicable according to the company's policy. And at the time of SAP implementation, the client will tell what is the Incoterms they are following. I need to connect that accordingly. The deliver and handling charges will be calculatable. Okay. So during the time of SAP implementation, client will tell who is client Grasim, what Incoterms they are using. We take that only. Okay. So 99.9% mostly you see FOB, all domestic based companies. Export based companies, online based companies. What is export? What is online now? Think, for example, think about Amazon again. Whenever you are buying something in Amazon, till the product reach your doorstep, till the product reach the doorstep of you, if anything goes wrong, maybe flooded, maybe theft, maybe broken, who is responsible? Amazon itself is responsible, right? So that's the logic here. Cost and freight is applicable. Cost insurance freight is applicable. So for online and export based companies, something is coming from USA. and in between it got lost, theft, broken. So insurance, the courier company will claim the insurance. You can claim the insurance. The courier company will be responsible, right? The company is responsible for courier company. Either of way. So that's the concept of Incoterms. Always maintain as FOB and the description as same, free on body. Terms of payment. Terms of payment is all about the accounting point of view as per the company's financial policy. What kind of leverage you can give to the customers? Customers here, who are the customers to Grasim here? The retailers, the dealers, etc. So Ravi is the purchase manager of Shopper Stop, and we are creating a customer ID of Mr. Ravi in the system, right? So at the time of billing, if the company is giving him some, what do you say, breathe time, within 5 days, if you pay, you get a cash back of 2%, 14 days, 3% cash back. You'll see such kind of, what do you say, offers will be given to the store persons so that they have some benefit. In some situations, no, it's all cash and carry. Pay by immediately. That is, it's cash and carry kind of. So again, these options will be activated in the finance side. We just connect it as how the guidelines of the financial policy. So mostly you'll say pay by immediately. In my server it is 4 zeros, but normally in the standard system you'll see 0001. Pay by immediately. Okay. As somebody removed the standard, so it was reorganized with this name. Done. And tax view for time being, mark as zero. Tax, no tax kind of. You'll understand the purpose of this in the coming future days when you work on pricing. So for time being, let it be zero and do not touch any other fields. And partner functions, you understood yesterday how defaultly system understand, Ravi. Fine. So this is first the left out what we couldn't do in the last session, which we have completed. Now we'll come to the scenario how to add a shipped party. So XD01, I go again. What I should do? I should create a shipped party now. I should create a shipped party. So that I use my shipped party account group what I made. Remember, company code, sales area, all should be same what you used for sold party. Very, very, very important. Don't make a mistake. So many trainees, what they will do, sir, we are creating a shipped party with a different purpose, so you'll change the sales area accordingly. No, see, simple example. When you're going for a shopping, you have a preference of different shipping address. Okay, so your shipping address is different. You're not going to there and telling to be delivered here, right? You're telling where, from where you are placing an order. సోల్డ్ పార్టీకి ఏ సేల్స్ ఏరియా అయితే మెయింటైన్ చేశామో అదే సేల్స్ ఏరియా షిప్డ్ पार्टी కూడా మెయింటైन చేయాలి. जो सेल्स एरिया आप सोल्ड पार्टी को मेंटेन किए सो है वही सेल्स एरिया आप शिफ्ट पार्टी को मेंटेन करना है. Remember this point. Customers shipping address is different that internally will give, but this is all happening at the place where the customer ID is created. So same address to be given. Remember, intentionally I'm writing, intentionally I'm highlighting so that you should not make a mistake. Done. Now if I say continue, what it is saying? Account group ship to party use as an external number assignment. If you all remember, when I was teaching you the concept of number ranges last before sessions, I was telling about what? Number ranges with internal, number ranges with external, right? For sold party, we marked with internal, so it was giving a number when the transaction is getting saved. Yesterday you could see it lively. Now here, a number is not, I should give a customer reference number manually. I should give a customer ID a number manually. So if you maintain the number ranges assigned externally, you will get a message like this if you're not giving a number here. Sir, it was few days back, I forgot what was the number range I have selected. Quite common. Then how? Give any number here and enter. I given some randomly a number, I am clicking on enter. Just wait. Please wait, it is compiling. Okay, I think I need to log in back. Kindly wait because I was explaining for a long time, not doing an activity. Maybe screen got expired. Okay. So XD01. So here I give some number randomly and I say continue. See what it is saying here. You cannot just enter any number. You cannot just enter any number. You need to enter only that number which you have been customized. మనం ఏ నంబర్ అయినా ఎంటర్ చేయలేం ఇక్కడ. We can enter only that number. I mean, we can only enter a number which we have been set 7 lakhs 4,001 to 7 lakhs 5, sorry, 7 lakhs 401 to 7 lakhs 500. So I can give a number between this range only, that to a number which is not been used. See, that's the beauty of SAP. Everything you forget, but everything you can recollect also. So I say copy and I connect here. Continue. So that's how we give a number manually. So by now you all understood how internal number ranges response, how external number range response, right? So title I say Mr. Name I say Raju.J and search term I give GRM full name and I say seat number 30 and I give some postal code 303045. I say Chennai. I say India. State code 22. Is Tamil Nadu. Now I click on sales area data. What do you see here? You are getting only three views, right? Sales, shipping, and billing. Because when we are customizing shipped party, it is all just three views, right? It is all just three views. So as how we organize at the time of shipping, the shipping information along with the bill details based upon the sales. So sale district, same we give, office, same, group, same, customer group, same, ABC class, everything is same. So why we are creating shift party then? For the address purpose. So give all the details as it is, what we maintained in sold party. Everything I am giving same. Everything we are giving same. What we maintain in sold party the same. Only for this Chennai address purpose we are creating a shipped party separately. Save it now. Done. Close this. Now what I should do? I should go back and open the sold party what I have been made, the root customer ID, right? XD02. I'm opening the sold party what we made in change mode. What is the sold party ID? I don't remember. Drop down. How I can find by account group, I can find by search term. Now sometimes, see here I am getting K option. Sometimes in some servers the K may be not be, something may be. So if you click on this pointer, you'll get all sources through which you can find. You can find as per the account group, various sources we have. Best always mark as K. This works very well of finding what you made. So search term, GRM I given. I can find by search term also. It shows all. For sold party I maintain GRM only. For shipped party also I maintain GRM only. It is showing all. So you may be confused now which one is sold party. No worry. See, you can find GRM1 sold party, GRM2 shipped party. So what is the root customer ID? GRM1. That is Ravi. Select and open it. Go to partner functions. Now watch me carefully here. Now two options we got. Remove this defaultly Ravi as ship to and maintain Raju. Right? So I say 401 Raju. I remember I'm giving. If you don't remember, drop down and maintain. If I save it, when in future Ravi places an order, the shipping will be sent to Raju. One more option we have. I can have one more ship to SH and I'll say 300 301 already there because I just removed it but not saved it, right? That's the reason. So kindly wait a minute, please. Let me go back and I say SH. See, whenever you do some changes, you need to save it. What I've done, I replaced 301 and I given 401. Fine, but I have not saved it. So that 301 should be accepted, removed, and again entering will be accepted. So I say 700401 here. Okay, so it is saying only default ones. Kindly wait. Sometimes it may not accept, it is not an error done by you or by me. Sometimes it may not. So just go back, close the window, refresh. Again, XD02 you go, open the root customer ID and give SH here. And instead of giving manually, you click on the drop down and find GRA2, enter, double click, enter. Okay, somehow it is not allowing. Maybe some technical changes made at the background level, but nowhere we had given an option it should be only one. But if we try after some time, it definitely responds. So here the scenario is I can mark one as default. It allows maintaining both. For example, I was doing the same scenario earlier for previous batch XD02. It was for her. I'll just show you. PAN. Here. All four was maintained differently. So it is not accepting extra here, but we'll see that also. When you try from your end in your server, it may work. I'll just cross check once again anyway. So XD02 we go, and let me open my customer ID. For time being, if you want, you can leave the same or you can change with other 401. Why it is restricting? It is not allowing because at the table level, if it is restricted, it is not. Functionally, we have not left anywhere now. It should be as one only. Because when customizing the account group, we have not given any option of default as one. So let us check that also once. So go back to the IMG screen where we set our account group. So here I say this is what we made. So we have not maintained here anything. One time account kind of nothing we have organized. And sales data, partner usage, nothing here. So functionally, we have not done any changes. It is at the database level, something might have gone wrong. Okay, so it is quite common. Every server is being used by multiple users for multiple purpose. Some scenarios may work, some scenarios may not work. See, I could not do in the server what I'm using, but the server what you're using, you may able to do it. So you try giving one more SH and give, it should accept. If not, change default. When you are given both, you can make one as default. Okay. When you given both, you can make one as default. When you have two shipped parties given, you can make one as default. So system will pick that address as default. Try to do at your end when you're practicing. If not, understand the point, please. Save it. Done. Now you could see the concept of the second scenario. Shipped party as Raju and bill and payment all the Ravi only. Now if I got the all four as different, how I made the change of shipped party, the same way you create a build party and go and change, how you the same way you create a pair, go and change. So what you do, that's an assignment for you, try down. So I created a shipped party by name Raju with an address of Chennai. Create a build party, any name, for example Venu with an address of Mumbai, and pair by name Kiran, for example, and with an address of say Hyderabad, and open the root customer ID and change over there. Try with them. All right. And now the customer extension part, there is a small technical issue. The extension is not working. I'll get it updated before the next session so that we can see the customer extension also. I'm trying to connect the add-on sales area. It is giving a dump error, runtime error. When you get a runtime error, when some table is not responding in the background level. All right. So understand the point, and when something is technically not, we should get it fixed up. When some customizing step is not responding, two things we should, either you made some mistake or system is not supporting. So let's see how to work on this. And remember, tomorrow we have no session. Please make a note. Tomorrow we have no session. Next session will be on Monday directly. So the guys who is from US, please make a note. Your sessions will be from Sunday evening to Thursday evening. For all of us who are from India, it is Monday to Friday. So next session on Monday, tomorrow due to festival, Mahashivratri, no session. Next session directly we meet on Monday. So do join with the same meeting link and do work on what all we had done till date. Utilize this 3 days of gap for your betterment of practicing of what we have done till date. So kindly make a note, tomorrow no session, next session on Monday. Okay, guys from US, for you it's Sunday evening. No confusion, please. So thank you all and see you on Monday.